I'm CHADOVISION. This is Kiptron. Hello, explorers. I can't believe it feels like it's been forever, don't you think?
Yeah.
Like, it feels like it's been like 3 months since we had one of these boxes. I can't believe how long summer was. All I cared about was when am I getting this box. Let's get right to it. Alright? This is the Explorer magazine, Live the Adventure box for fall 2018. This was from, I believe, fall of 2017, and it never leaves my side, basically. It's a nice little lightweight thing. But it also is perfect for opening the Explorer magazine boxes, okay? Here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
How excited are you?
Like 100%.
100% excited, Kiptron says. Okay. Can't wait to see what's in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, it's packed full. There's so much stuff in here. Oh, look at that.
Wait, let's do this one first.
Okay, look at this.
It's a whole waste package.
It is a...
Okay, so look. First, it's a waste package. There's one water bottle.
Yeah.
One water bottle, okay? And then we have another water bottle.
2 water bottles. This goes on your waist for hiking, for running. Has 2 water bottles that are held in with elastic bands, and it has a little pouch to put your phone and your GPS unit, whatever you need in there. Wow, and it's all padded. That's a beautiful thing. Aventura Outdoors. It's where you can get all this stuff after you missed it in the box. All right. Next, what's next? Oh yeah, baby.
A mug.
A mug.
That life is better around the campfire.
Life is better around the campfire mug. Can you believe it? Look at this. Tin and ceramic mug, perfect for camping. Every camping kit needs it.
Elastic no-tie laces.
Elastic no-tie laces. These are on, actually, most of my Solomon shoes already. These are quick release, so you can just slip your foot in, zip tie them shut, and there's instructions on the back. These are a great addition to any shoe that you're taking on and off a lot. All right, perfect. What else do we got?
We got a
Survival frog. I believe this thing is a little machine you heat up. You plug in with your USB, and it heats you up in the winter. USB charger, hand warmer. So it's a USB charger and hand warmer. You put this in your thing when you're going ice fishing, hiking, sitting around doing winter camping, which I love, by the way. This thing heats you up and charges your phone. Perfect. Whoa, baby. Let's see. Could it be a frisbee? Could it be discus?
It could be.
It could be a bucket.
A bucket.
Sweet. Look at that. You have a bucket in this box, complete with handle, and it comes in its nice little carry case, so very lightweight, very small, and collapsible, so you can carry a nice big bucket for all your water needs. You can put your dishes in here, collect water from the lake, etc. Amazing. What else we got?
We got a scarf.
Perfect. Lumberjack scarf. If you're in Ottawa, Ontario, and at a Red Blacks game, this is what everyone is wearing. If not, you can wear it in the woods and look just like your local lumberjack or hipster, which, with the beard, I'm kind of going with that look. And last but not least, for big items, is your multi-tool fork, spoon, knife, bottle opener, all in one. This thing goes in every one of my kits, in the car, and wherever you need to eat, with a fork and a spoon and a knife. Perfect addition to any camping kit. And we have, of course, our Explorer magazine, and we get a bonus travel Nevada magazine. You want to go to Nevada? You're gonna sick of the winter? Here's your chance. Look it up in this book. Now look, that is what is in the box for 2018 fall edition. I think it's great. There's so many neat things to play with. This thing blows my mind. It is so high quality. Anyway, we'll see you next time. They have their challenges and all the explanations on how everything works on their form that comes in every single box. I can't wait to see what the fall challenges are because I love the fall. CHADOVISION and Kipton are signing off. Thank you very much. See you next time. Can't wait to get at the challenges. Over and out. Don't forget, like and share CHADOVISION, and also get your Explorer Magazine Live the Adventure box. You will not be disappointed. 4 times a year, every season, you get something. It's worth every penny. I love it. See you in the woods. No, it's crooked. See my head? It's not. Hello? This is just a test. Hello, explorers. It's been a long time. Feels like forever. Hey.
Yeah.
Feels like it's been like 3 months. It has been 3 months. Maybe. This is a test. This is only a test. This is not us opening the box. But if it was us opening the box, it would be followed by a ton of really cool stuff. But it's not. It's a test. So, bye. And we're here to show you the 2017 first bleep blooper. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go. And you will be like Christmas, 3 to 4 to 5. Okay, we're going to do that again. Okay.
I'm so hungry.